One of the common questions that they normally ask me is, what is the importance of role play? Like what my sales team is doing right now. Now, for me, the important thing about role play is it gives you confidence so that once you talk to a client during their meetings, like on their end, is they'll be more confident in terms of how to answer all their objections, rebuttals, all the info that they need, all the info that they need, so that they're more prepared, more confident. Then at the same time, it provides them a feel of, I know what I'm talking about, and also if they talk to a client, the client would feel as if, hey, you know what, this person knows what he or she is talking about. So for me, any sales company, I would really recommend to do one like role play a day, or if you can do it like morning and afternoon, that would be great. So guys, one of the key factors in doing role play is it helps you close deals faster, because you're much more confident in terms of how you're talking to a client. Then at the same time, the client feels comfortable doing business with you, because at the end of the day, you know what you're talking about. So yeah, I mean, role play is key, and one of the most important things that you need to know, especially in sales or in your business. So be great, guys.